What's good, June Squad? It's your boy June. Today I am bringing you a personal video of me on the Switch. Now, I brought you guys a video when we were at the Kissimmee River. But you know, we didn't really jump on the Switch and kind of show you a lot of stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, guys, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe, because you know I'm just bringing you content all day long, all day, every day. So but let's jump on this bad boy and let me show you the perks and answer some of the questions you guys been asking me about this boat. So we're gonna go ahead and answer those things for you right now. Let's go.
Oh, there he is.
What's up, man?
How in the hell do you like this thing, man?
Oh, it's awesome. This is an awesome machine.
It sticks. I seen you when you first pull it up, man. So it sticks out. And I just had to come in. The first time I've only seen them in print, a couple of YouTube things, and I've never been able to look at them.
Yeah, these things are amazing, man. Yeah, all these you can take out. Well, these here, yeah, you can pop all these off. You can take all the chairs and move them anywhere you want. You got a little lounge area padded that you can lay down here. You got all your dry storage bags and stuff. The motor sits back down there underneath those panels.
You got drive like a seadoo.
Yeah, it's got a 170 seadoo motor in it. All right, so we are now leaving Sebastian Sandbar. Didn't do too much filming there. Well, I did on the GoPro, but once we pulled up with the Switch, everybody just started coming out asking me questions, and you know, I had to be that salesman for Sea-Doo. You're welcome, Sea-Doo. Anyway, but yeah, we were out there, a lot of people asking questions, man. Everybody loves this thing, man. It's unique, you know, they've never seen this before, and it's just a cool vessel on the water, man. Everybody just love it. What's that, Pop?
It's running good. It's running nice.
Pop's just loving it. He's just chilling, hanging out. It's just a great time, man. It's so smooth. And you see, like right now, I'm leaving the sandbar, and I got both hands free in a sense, because I have it on the slow wake. So there's a button, literally you just press it twice, and it goes into slow mode, and it literally gets you out of the no wake without having you to hold on to the throttle. Beautiful thing for me. We got a neighbor. Another Switch on the water. There's one of many islands here on the Indian River. It's so nice. We're gonna go ahead and stop here real quick. We'll talk to you guys about the Switch, and maybe answer some of the questions you guys been asking me on the platform. So we're gonna get ahead and pull up here and let's talk about it. All right, so first things first, guys. This thing is wide. It's wide. Now, if you look at it from the back, look how wide it is. Now there's the center hull, and that's where the actual motor is at. Now you got it's a tri-tune, so you got two pontoons and stuff, and then you have the middle. So that's what makes it a tri-toon. It's a three pontoon boat. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, so this one here is a 170. It's pretty quick. It does about 45 miles an hour. One thing I like about this thing is that it's roomy. It's got a lot of room. I love the whole helm. You know, the seat, it rotates. You have the Garmin for your depth finder, your navigation, and all that good stuff. Now, has cleats on both sides, so you can just tie up. You know, got lights all over the place, guys, all over the place. Now, here is where the anchor's at. Now, if you move this door, pick this door up, slide it, it opens wide open for you. And then you have a little compartment area for your anchor, which is a pretty big anchor, as you can see. And they tuck right down in there. So, as you can see, these chairs, as you can see, these little notches here, if you undo them, you can sit them right here, lock them in place in the corner, on that corner. This area right here is a little lounging spot for you to lay down. It's padded. You got cup holders, you have storage. You got a lot of storage bins here. This thing is full of storage bins, and they're pretty roomy, all kinds of stuff. And there's more in these two. Also, you can get a cooler with the link system, and it attaches right there to the ground, so you never have to worry about the cooler sliding everywhere. This chair is cool because there's you can actually turn it around. There's a lever right here that you hit it and it goes sideways, so you can sit sideways. You know, you have a little dry bag here. The Garmin, awesome. As you can see, it has everything that a Sea-Doo has. The start, you have your IDF in the middle, you have your mode for your sport mode, no wake, your tilt steering here, and of course all your controls here. Then you have a mirror, which is pretty cool because you can see everything behind you. Then all this storage space up here that you have, that you can put stuff in. On top of that storage space, you have storage space here in front of the boat. As you can see, more room for you to throw stuff in. And you can do this with one hand, people. One hand, look at that. Oh, let's lock that one in. Boom. So, yeah, and you have actually a dry bag here that you can put on the front. All that stuff is extra. You got to pay for all that extra stuff. Of course, you know that. And the cup holders and all that good stuff. But for the most part, it's simple, but it's effective and it works. It helps. It's comfortable, and you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting a jet ski, and you're getting luxury, comfortness, all in one. I mean, that is amazing right there. It's cool. And as far as the performance on this thing, like I said, it drives and feels like a jet ski. You're sitting there, you can be going side to side. It cuts really easy, it speeds up fast, it goes on plane really quick. Man, I have no downfalls on this. And the IDF is awesome, because there's been a few times that we've pulled up to the beach and for some reason it picked up rocks or whatever it may have been, and it'll automatically go into like a disable mode, and all you gotta do is just turn the IDF on and push everything out, and then turn it off. It restarts, and then it starts right back up with no problem. So the system is really sensitive, so it'll let you know if you got any debris inside that intake, which is a great thing. I love it. It's cool, really cool. Pops loved it. Pops loves riding on here. It's comfortable for him and he just enjoys it. Look at the wave, almost knocked me over, but like now he's just enjoying the water right now, just taking in, you know, the island. It's a beautiful island, man. Really nice. I hope that I answered some of you guys' questions. The motor, the motor sits right here, right next to the driver. Let me see if I can pull it out for you guys. Oh, see if you can see the motor. See, it's a big boy, and there, I mean, there's a lot of room in there, a lot of room. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to get a little bit more personal with you guys with the switch. I didn't really get too personal with it the last video, so I just wanted to actually come on here and show you guys a little bit more and how it handles and stuff like that. If you guys have any questions about the switch, please comment below. I'll try to get to all your comments as much as possible, as quick as possible, I'm sorry. Also, as far as them selling them, I do believe right now they are on sale. You can buy them, but you're shipping, you won't be receiving them until the end of the year. So it's a list. There's a big list, so make sure you guys jump on it if you guys want one of these things. I was at the sandbar and about 5 different people came up to me and asking me about this switch, and I spent so much time out there just talking and selling and telling these people about the switch. I felt like a salesman on the water. And by all means, I'm not trying to sell this ski, or I mean this boat, because I'm not making no money from this. It's just a preference. I'm telling you guys, you know, my experience with it, and a lot of you guys may love this, you know, a lot of you guys may not like it. You know, it's all about your preference, you know, what you're looking for. But I felt like I needed to come to bring this to you guys so you guys can check it out. It's a phenomenal boat. It's gonna take the water by storm next year, man. There's gonna be a lot of these bad boys on the water, so look out for them. They're good vessels. So big shout out to Seadoo for letting me test this out, and shout out to Randy. Guys, make sure, again, I'm gonna come back to the beginning, make sure you subscribe and like the video. But for me, I'm out of here, guys. Peace.